The HTH-1400 by LiftWise gives you safe and reliable installation and removal of tires weighing up to 1,400 pounds. The HTH-1400 is fully adjustable and handles tires between 30 and 53 inches in diameter and up to 19 inches in width. The tire handler securely clamps and rotates tires 90 degrees from a horizontal position to a vertical position and back again. Powered functions are deliberate and controlled by design, but movement speeds can be adjusted to meet your application's requirements. Hydraulic counterbalance valves are utilized to ensure the tire is secure, even if a hose is damaged or power is lost. The tilt feature accommodates shifts in center of gravity location. A 25-degree bidirectional tire rotation allows you to easily align studs with the bolt pattern. The HTH-1400 allows a tire to be precisely positioned with ease by a single operator, increasing productivity on your assembly line. The following chart shows the estimated time required to complete each step of the tire installation process. If your application requires a higher rate of productivity, faster tire handler movement speeds and operator training are available. The HTH-1400 is battery powered with a built-in charger, and all functions are controlled by a tethered controller. The HTH-1400 delivers versatility and productivity that is safe and reliable. LiftWise also offers optional features like the extended mast for improved accessibility and modified capacities to meet your application's requirements. LiftWise, customized material handling solutions.